Welcome to IDA's video channel. In this video, I will show you how to display pipe network details in profile view bands. During our design, we didn't display any bands, just one band for distance. But now I want to display all the details. How can I do that? I go to profile view properties. Then I go to bands and I go to import band set. Now, which band set should I import? We have here pipe, water, levels of structure band set 1 and band set 2. If I cancel for now, I go to Information tab and here I can check which profile view style I used. And I used band set 1. So I'm going to import band set 1. So I go back to Import band set, pipe, water, levels, structure, band set 1. And then I click OK and OK. The band set is here, but it doesn't display any information. Why? It's because I need to set the data source. Let me go to Profile View Properties. And then under the bands, there is a data source column. And I need to choose whether I want to display information for bulk water or for stormwater. Those are two networks I have in the drawing. But this is quite inconvenient to set the data source for each and every band. So there's a better way of doing it. Especially if you have a planned production profile views, you might have 20 profile views. You don't want to do it one by one. Let me cancel. And I go to IDA's profiles, and there is a command set data source. I can choose which network I want to use. I want to use bulk water. And then I can select profile views. I have only one profile view, so I select only one. There is also an option to remove or add objects to selection. I click OK, and that sets the data source for all the profile view bands. Let me show you the band set, and here you can see some information. The change in direction, there are some undefined values. We will fix it in some other videos. There are no hydraulics because we didn't run the analysis yet. So this is the band set. What if I want different band set? Let me show you how you can do that. I'm going to Profile View Properties again. Then I go to Import Band Set and I will use Pipe, Water, Levels at Structure Band Set 2. By the way, there is also one which says Level at Structure and Interval. For example, if you want to display values every 20 meters, I will show that in another video. So for now, I will use Levels at Structure Band Set 2. I click OK. Again, the data source is removed, so it will be empty. So I go and set the data source again. IDAS remembers the last command, so I can just click on Profiles. I select the network and I select the profile view and I click OK. So the data source is set. But if I look at the bottom of the profile view, there is a gap. Why? Because this profile view band set has some information here, the change in direction, so it has less profile view bands, so it needs less space. How can I fix that? I need to set the correct profile view style. So I go to Profile View Properties, then I go to Information tab, and I should change the profile view style to Pipe, Water, Levels at Structure Band Set 2. Then I click OK, and this fixes this issue. You can also see that it displays the full grid, because for our design to keep my drawing light and easier to see the objects, I turned off the minor grid, horizontal and vertical, and I also displayed the grid at the horizontal geometry points. But this grid doesn't display horizontal geometry points, but displays everything. So let me go back and I will switch back to band set 1 because I want to use it in the next video. So let me do it quickly now. So first I go to Profile View Properties, then I change the profile view style to band set 1. Then I go to bands, I go to Import Band Set, and I will import band set 1. OK, OK. And then I go to Set Data Source. I will select bulk water, profile view, and I click OK. So now I have a band set 1 with all the pipe details displayed.